Una clap now. I work here all hard tonight. Yeah? They bring me for a very special purpose. You know, say these days, comedians, our eye don't they chew. So when I do my show for Port Harcourt early this year, a cappella was the MC. After the show, I told the answer how much man push and something, you know, great. It says just love. It's okay. So, I did my sleep. Now I come, see my come on show and love. Just to introduce her. I said, okay, how much for this love will you want to show you? I like my money. Now I say, well, not much. Say the kind of love will you show me for. So I'm here to introduce a cappella. But before I introduce him, I'll tell you a few things. Now, we want to use this opportunity to appreciate you guys and all the fans out there who have recognized comedy as an industry of its own. We are very grateful. And it's a beautiful coincidence that in the house today, you need to understand that, like say comedy not day, many of us for the walk somewhere, you know, somebody like me, for my papa house, they wait to inherit it. Somebody like okay for the local government. But an industry was born, and the very first person to take that major step to make it an industry, to institutionalize it, is actually the building today. His name is Mr. Upper Williams of the Night of the Thousand Lamps. Fame. It's right. Clap. A minute, yes. You know, while Mr. Upper Williams was doing that in Lagos, right, in places like Port Harcourt, the very first set of comedians from Port Harcourt at the time is also in the building. Basoj Tyra Jr., one of the most rounded artists in the building. CEO, now I decided I will do my own, and that time I still. Yes, I don't travel abroad. They go watch foreign comedians. I can't realize, say, as we they look there, I say they up there and hype. They're funny, but they plan very many things. For example, Kevin Hart's show, big Kevin come out. They could just come and say, yo, everybody out there, let me see you put your hands together, make some noise, put your hands together. Those people will clap, come in and go record down. You go come this side, put your hands together, let me see you put your hands together. Camera, everybody will clap. Camera go record down. When the CD come out, as he crack one joke, people go they clap, they laugh. They laugh for the show, but the laugh not serious reach that one. Because the one kind of one with the record put for the joke. Nigeria will be copied the thing one time, but our audience they stiff well. So when we don't people and say clap, we clap, we record that. When they edit the CD, comedian will just talk something, and I look up. We'll come put the clap. So the face where they look, but who they watch and they hear. Not because the joke not funny. Now waiting when I don't they used to. Nigeria, we are too strong. We wanna relax. Let's have a good time. Camera, they show some of them and say, so now go laugh. As the camera come on your face, you come package like say, you be wallet in car. Relax. And some men, be like say some of them, be like say, when I don't say camera go day, when I carry on a babe come. So, especially this one, I see they move like this. You see some men. Change your seat if it's that bad, We want us to have a good time. Comedy has become a brand in Nigeria. Now style, with the rock. Most of the comedians you see, they are rich, forget. They get levels, they get style. We won't become rock stars now. The way musicians did. Like the way everybody shouts stew now. Stew. When they laugh, we say they shout stew. You know stew women don't leak. If men age now according to the stew where they don't leak, You know some people age. Somebody like the band now go dey like 150 based on stew wey don leak. Okay, Bakassi wey dey here dey talk. You know stew wey okay don leak? Two-Face. You know stew wey don leak Two-Face? They think, just be smart, right? I'm going to bring him up. You have no business sitting down when I introduce him, because I'm about to introduce, according to facts and figures, one of the best comedians in the world.